a minute to the emergency alerts come through. So they're doing another test. The government is. So see if it comes through. It's 3 o'clock when I'm doing it. This is a test. What did it say? This is a test. Emergency alerts in UK government service that warn you if there's life threatening emergency. Like what though? We don't get anything here, we don't get storms and stuff or anything like that in the middle of where I live anyway, in Coventry. But okay, what's this one? You just click OK. Yeah, I had to film that because the last time I did it was in 2023, and yeah, the thing is we don't get storms or anything, so it's kind of, I don't know, but I don't know what the reason is.